going to be comparing actually looking at a sphere versus looking at what is said to represent a sphere on Google Earth. Because after all, Google Earth is said to represent the supposed sphere that we live on. So I like to compare and contrast how this sphere is not doing the same thing as an actual sphere. This is an actual sphere. This one's made out of glass, and I put an X on it right here. Now, if I was to take this X right in the middle towards the camera and I was to spin this once, just 180, it would be on the exact opposite side, correct? So the X is now on the exact opposite side. Now, if I was to spin this another 180, whoop, there it is again. So, if you have a sphere and you spin it around once, you halfway, and then you spin it around another time halfway, boom, that same spot will always come back, right? So now let's compare and contrast if the same thing happens with Google Earth. Now there's the United States. Let's just consider the United States to be the same thing as that X right there. So there's the United States, and if I was to start on the side over here, all the way on the side, and drag it once, all the way, so there's once, right? Now I'm going to drag it a second time, 2, and you'll notice something. We aren't back to the United States again. Remember how when I showed you with the ball right here, the real ball? Let's go. See here, look, see the X? The X, 1, it's on the other side, 2, and it's back. Well, we just went 2 spins, the United States isn't back, so there's 2, 3. About 2.5, almost 3. Let's try that again. There it is in the middle. We're going to do 1 spin. 1. And it should come right back around to the exact same spot with the United States, just like we did with an actual sphere. 2. But it doesn't. So that just goes to show you they're actually not representing a sphere correctly.